Ramadan is just around the corner. That means we'll be seeing a lot of hampers, Ramadan journals, and other branding elements that need fresh and eye-catching designs. Lately, folk-style patterns have been making comeback, but with a modern twist featuring vivid colors and clean, contemporary layouts. This blend of tradition and modernity makes it perfect for creating unique Ramadan branding. I'm Zaki and welcome back to Din Studio's YouTube channel. Looking for a fresh way to style your Ramadan designs? You are now in the right place. Today, we are creating stunning branding design using modern folk patterns in Canva. It's perfect for social media, packaging, or even business promotion during Ramadan. Now, as usual, before we jump into the design process, let's first gather some inspiration, shall we? Every great design starts with a strong concept, so let's head over to Pinterest and see what's trending. Before we start designing, let's explore for inspiration. Let's put the term modern folk in the search column. This style is gaining popularity at the start of this year, particularly because of its vibrant and fresh color. Take a closer look at the symmetrical and gorgeous patterns. Folk style design brings out both authenticity and modernity through its earthy colors, which signify traditionalist and cultural components. Let's have some interesting designs here for future reference. The second keyword would be Ramadan design. Starting here, you can see how these Ramadan-themed motifs are incorporated into a design. Islamic architecture frequently incorporates designs with crescent moons, stars, lanterns, and geometrical patterns. Next, let's find the right font for match our theme. We'll be combining a serif and a script font for our branding design. For the script font, we can use one from On Studio. Canva features several fonts from our studio, dinstudio.com, including Vintage Router, a monoline script font with a smooth, flowing style. Its elegant yet casual strokes create a warm and nostalgic feel, adding a touch of vintage charm, while maintaining excellent readability. This makes our Ramadan branding look both premium and visually appealing. From these two keywords, we can get a clear idea. We'll be combining elements from modern folk patterns with some Islamic elements and arranging them in a great layout to keep everything neat and well structured. Now that we have our inspiration and font ready, let's head to Canva and start designing. Okay, we can start with creating a new artboard in Canva with the size of 2000 by 2000 pixels. Alright, now we insert our previously prepared color palette. To get a modern folk vibe in our design, we can choose warm and earthy color combination, like orange and golden yellow to give a festive and warm vibe of Ramadan. Tosca and turquoise can add contrast and modernity. Meanwhile, brown and maroon present ethnic and traditional vibe. Next, we'll arrange squares on an artboard to form grids. These grids will allow us to organize the elements more quickly, neatly, and balanced, resulting in harmonic composition and making pattern repetition easier and less tedious. Now, let's start filling the grid with the selected color palette. Make sure to alternate these colors to create contrast and a visually appealing flow. The next step is to include decorative elements. We were inspired by Scandinavian folk designs, a popular form in textile art and traditional wood carving. First, we insert the folk art heart shape. The shape expresses friendliness, warmth, and an inviting atmosphere, making them ideal from the Ramadan spirit of togetherness. And then, we add a retro geometric pattern. This form helps to balance the pattern, making it less floral and feminine, while still retaining the folk art flair. And then we can add floral patterns. These elements exude classical vibe in a folk art design. And then we can copy and paste them to some of these squares to maintain the consistency of the pattern. To strengthen the Ramadan theme, we can add a crescent moon element as our Islamic spiritual symbol. Additionally, we add special Ramadan elements like diamond-shaped rice cake, Quran silhouette, and lanterns. We use triangular shapes as supporting elements to generate visual flow in the design. These forms are frequently used in graphic design to direct the eye and create a more dynamic structure. The next step is to adjust the color of these elements to match our palette. We must also ensure that each element maintains its contrast and is not overshadowed by the background. And now we modify the layer location so that these elements are piled up. It's time to add text now. We start by writing Ramadan using the Myriad condensed font. This font is chosen because of its clean, modern, and readable shapes. We also need to arrange the letter spacing so that the text maintain their balance and do not take up too much space. Under the word, we add the text query using script font from our studio, Vintage Router. This gives an elegant decorative touch that matches the modern folk style that we utilize. To make the text stand out more, we'll give it a slight slant and a shadow effect. This effect makes the text look more dimensional and not flat. Add the text a place mark as a complement. This time, we use the inner font, which is clean and modern. Don't forget to adjust the letter spacing so it's not too close to each other. We do color adjustments again to ensure the overall design looks appealing and harmonious. As a finishing touch, add some small details like this dot. Finally, we can save this design for further application to various branding media. And here's the final result. I love how the modern folk patterns and vibrant colors blend with Islamic elements, creating a fresh yet festive Ramadan look. The combination of serif and script fonts adds a premium touch while keeping it warm and inviting. What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments what design you like to see next. You can also check out our other tutorials on branding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!